Hi and welcome, my name is Thomas, and in this episode I'll be going over challenge number 3, which is evaluating the attack outcome. And before we head into the challenge itself, we're going to be talking to Bushy Evergreen, who might be able to give us a hint on how to tackle the challenge. So, opening up that terminal, fairly easy. Bushy is stuck in the ed editor and we need to help him escape. So we just press Q, enter, and that is that. Now Bushy is going to be giving us some hints, or at least one hint that we need, which is the Deep Blue CLI tool, which will help us hunt or threat hunt across Windows event logs. You can download or clone that tool from the GitHub repository it's hosted on. I've already done that. I've also already downloaded the tool and run it, mainly because it takes a while to go through the logs, so it saves us some time. But what we're trying to accomplish here is, and let's head over back to the batch for that, is we need to identify the user account that the attacker compromised using a password spray attack. Now, a password spray attack is where an attacker tries the same password credentials across a different number of accounts, and Deep Blue CLI basically gives us an overview of those accounts that might have been involved in a password spray attack, as is mentioned here. So we have 31 of those accounts, so there's definitely been some password spray activity, as we can see in the logs. And what we're trying to find now is who's been involved. So we already know that's these accounts, but also have there been any successful logins, for example, as a result of that. And the ones that have been involved in the password spray attack have had successful logins as well. That's probably, with a high likelihood, accounts that have been compromised. So I've run that tool again with a different output here to the right. I've formatted it as a table with just the message and the result. We don't see, obviously, who's been involved in the password spray attack anymore, but we do see multiple admin logons for at least 3 accounts. One is pminstix, one is Suppetry, and one is DC1 here. We also see that there's been a high number of logon failures for one account, which means, in all likelihood, I guess, that not only has the same password been tried across different accounts, a different password seems to have been used per account as well. Anyway, we now know those 3 admin accounts that have been successfully logged on to. So we have Suppetry and pminstix and DC1. Looking at the targets of the password spray attack, the only one that matches from these 3 is going to be Suppetry or Shinny Uppetry's account. So that's probably what we're looking for. So let's try and use that as the answer to this. Suppetry. Answer to this challenge, and it is correct. And that's it for this episode. Hope to see you on the next one, and I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Bye.